Dear students, today we have an important lecture, how to punctuate sentences. It's very important for different competitive exams, especially CSS. And we in this video lecture we will learn how to punctuate the sentences. He said, "What's the matter, Yasir?" In a sentence में ब clauses आइन. The first clause is dependent. And dependent clause का बाद में ऐसा comma use करना हो. And it is a direct speech, so we have to use inverted commas also. Inverted commas का पोइ जो first letter होंदो है वो capital होंदो है. So what के सां capitalize करना सी. And what's here we need an apostrophe. So what's the matter, Yasir? There's a comma use करना सी because when we call somebody we have to use a simple pause, short pause, and short pause show करने जे लाइ ऐसा comma use करना हो. Interrogative sentence है तंहिंजे करे असां हिते question mark भी use करे छॾींदासीं. His temperature is 37. 37 is the number above 20. So 21 खां above जेकी number सो 999 ताईं असां उन्हनि में hyphen use करना हो. So but I don't know हिते असां comma use करनासीं. But I don't know why he is shivering, and here we have full stop. 30 years ago, हाणे हिते 30 years ago phrase आहे, इनखे sentence खां अलॻि करण जे लाइ असां comma use कंदासीं. A man came here, took the gun and killed a boy, a girl and a doctor. A man came, he took the gun and killed a boy. And ये अलग अलग clauses आहिनि. A man came, comma. A man came here. Here we use comma. Took the gun and killed a boy, comma, a girl and a doctor. And in the end we use full stop. The next sentence is yes. So first हमेशा कोई भी सेंटेंस जेको स्टार्ट थींदो आहे त फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटलाइज़ थींदो आहे. सो येस जी वाई कैपिटल थींदी. एंड आफ्टर येस एंड नो वी यूज़ कॉमा. येस व्हेन आई वाज रिटर्निंग व्हेन आई वाज रिटर्निंग जो डिपेंडेंट क्लास आहे. जॾहिं बि असां डिपेंडेंट क्लास पहिरियां रखंदा आहियूं त इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास खां पहिरियां असां हिते कॉमा ॾेई करे पोइ इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास रखंदा आहियूं. सो व्हेन आई वाज रिटर्निंग कॉमा आई सॉ a dead body, Kamran. So he's talking to Kamran, he is calling him, so here we have to use a comma. Kamran said to his uncle. हिते full stop दींदासीं. And Kamran said to his uncle सक शो पियो करे त इहो narration में आहे, इहो direct speech आहे. That's why we have to close it with the inverted commas. Here we have to give inverted comma. A 10-year-old boy requested me to write a poem. पहिरियां त असां फर्स्ट लेटर खे कैपिटलाइज़ कंदासीं. A 10-year-old boy इन में असांखे हाइफन यूज़ करणी आहिनि. Request me to write a poem and in the end full stop. Wow. So wow is an interjection. असांखे हिते exclamation mark यूज़ करणी आहिनि. ऐं I हमेशा कैपिटलाइज़ थींदो आहे. सो I will be capital and wow GW be capital थींदी. And here America is a proper noun and proper nouns are always written in capital and in the end we use full stop.